Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So this tutorial is a continuation of how to convert SQL queries into Python pandas. So today's topic is get the department where male employees are maximum. Okay. So what I have written. So select department count of employee ID as employee count from employees where gender equals to male, group by department. Simple query. And this one I am wrapping with a city, and after that I am creating a subquery. So I am writing like select star from city where employee count equals to, this one is subquery, select maximum of employee count from city. Okay, if I run this one, I will get IT department has 5 employees who are male and that is maximum. So let's see now how to convert this query into pandas. So here you can see this is our connection string, and in this data frame I am reading the SQL and I am reading this from this table. Okay, then I am closing the connection. Then what I can write like filtered employees equals to, okay, so there I will use this data frame. Okay, so in this data frame, so what I need to get the gender first where gender is male. So what I'll write, employees of, in employees I need gender, okay, and gender I need male equals to male. Okay, so our first condition is written. Then what I need group by, right? So dot group by function. So what I need to do group by, I need to group by department. So I'll write department. Okay, group by department, comma, as index equals to false. So what I am writing, why I am writing as index equals to false, because it will not choose department as my index. Okay, that's why. So after that what I need aggregation, right? What I need to aggregate, I need to aggregate employee ID, and what kind of aggregation I need count. So dot agg aggregate. Then I need a new column name, right? So I'll write like employee count. Okay, employee count equals to employee ID, and what kind of aggregation I need count. Okay, right? So now, so I got the aggregation, right? So I need another bracket here. Okay, so after that what I can do, so I got the aggregated value. Now what I need maximum value of that department, right? So I need I have written what I am getting all the departments, how many employees are there who are male. Okay, now I need maximum among that. Okay, so what I can write max count equals to this one, this df, this data frame I will use. Then what I need employee count. In this column I need to check, right? So employee count, and in this column I will see what is my maximum. So I will write maximum. Okay, max. Then result. So what it will give me, it will give me this one only 5. This will give me 5. Okay, now this will return me 5. Okay, now what I need, result equals to, so I need to get the department also, right? So filtered employees. Okay, so in filtered employees, which column I need employee count. Okay, so employee count equals to what I need, maximum count. So it will create a true false statement. Okay, so it will go row by row in this column, in this employee ID column, employee count column, and in this column wherever it will see it is getting 5, then it will return that row. Okay, equals to maximum count. First, this one will create what is my maximum number. This function, this one, it will return me what is my maximum number, and it will match that maximum number here in this column, in this employee count column. It will match that maximum number in this column. So whenever it will find maximum number, that is 5, it will return that row. Okay, then print result. Okay, if I run this one, here you can see IT department employee count is 5. So like this you can convert SQL queries into Python. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.